All right, tip number 2 when it comes to your website. Hey guys, my name is Jason Wilmot, by the way. Run a little thing called Hacktics. So here we go. Tip number 2 when it comes to your website and your website ARCA structure. That's a new word. We'll just keep that in. So your website ARCA structure, otherwise known as architecture, really depends on 3 core things. And we talked about that in the former video of landing pages, qualifying pages, and thank you pages. The thank you pages are the secret sauce because when it comes to thank you pages, what we're really talking about is tracking and conversion. So if we're sending in traffic from Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Google Ads or your blog with organic content, what you're trying to determine is this click ever reaching my thank you page? Meaning they come to my landing page, they see my call to action, which is like book a demo or schedule a phone call or request a quote, whatever it is, on your qualifying page. Then if they do that, they are redirected to a thank you page. And on this thank you page, this is where your tracking and your conversions really become incredible tools, because all of a sudden what you're doing is you can see this end point for this data. So if you're spending $10 on Facebook, $10 on YouTube, $10 or whatever, right? You can understand, hey, this I got this many leads from these sources because I know that I can backtrack this click all the way to the original source because I have a thank you page. Now, thank you pages alone cannot do this for you. You have to actually send in your traffic with these things called UTMs, which we'll talk about in another video. But I hope this at least helps you understand the importance of understanding how to build from the bottom of the funnel up. You see, by focusing on the thank you pages, you're focusing on the core event that is going to grow your business. And that's a whole idea behind growth hacking, is you're isolating what is the action that you want people to take when they are on your website. And if they take that, your business grows. All right, folks, if you enjoyed that tip, I would encourage you to like this video, share this with a friend, or comment below. I would love to engage with you that way. On top of that, I would encourage you to click through, learn more about the program that I have put together called Funnel Accelerator, and I will see you on the inside, and hopefully I will meet you in the Hacktics community. All right, adios, guys. Bye.